Hello everyone, welcome back to a Help for Good eLearning. My name is Prashanta. Now in this particular logic building, we are going to check the common element all this array. Okay, we have to find out the common element in all these three array. Okay, and we have to print that common element. So this is what we have to do it for I in A. Okay, I'll just take the element because you can see here the value of I is right now 0, and the logic is very simple. We have to pick the element from here. We have to check this element. First element we have to take from the array A, and so list A, and then we have to check is it present in B or is it present in C. If it is present in both, that means it is a common element. Okay, present in both means we have to use the logical AND operator. Okay, so now for I in A at index number 0, you got the element 1. At index number 0, you got the element 1. So this condition is true. Okay, this condition is true. It will come inside and it will check if I in B or logical AND operator I in C. Okay, if it is present in both, okay, C is the capital. So we have to take the capital, C is capital. Okay, so if I present in B and it is also present in C. So if I is present in both, means they are the common element. So I'm just going to print the I. That's it. Okay. Run and check. Okay. So we got the element. The output is 3. And here also, actually I have not write down, but the output is basically your 3. Okay. So this is what happening exactly. Okay. It will start from here. It will pick the first element 1. It will check it is present in B. It is present in C. If it is present in both, so this element will display. Okay. So this is a very simple example, guys. I hope it is understandable. We'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you very much.